AI is having a very busy year. As you may have heard, AI is having a very busy year. We've been applying AI to make our product with generative AI, semantic understanding and generative AI.
We use AI to duet AI, generative AI is into search. There's an AI in the AI palette.
Using our AI platform, Robotics AI, as an AI first.
In today's video, we will discuss a recent paper released by Google that has sent shockwaves through the AI community. The paper introduces Soundstorm, an AI tool capable of generating hyper-realistic voiceovers with unprecedented accuracy. While this may seem like a remarkable technological achievement, the implications discussed in the paper reveal a potential dark side. Join us as we explore the demos, applications, and terrifying consequences of Soundstorm falling into the wrong hands. 1. The power of dialogue synthesis. Soundstorm's most striking feature is its ability to generate dialogue between two individuals using just a few seconds of audio input. Unlike previous voiceover technologies, Soundstorm captures the subtle nuances, inflections, and pauses that make human speech unique. By analyzing and replicating these small details, Soundstorm produces remarkably human voiceovers. Let's dive into some examples to witness the accuracy of this groundbreaking tool. By analyzing and replicating the small inflections in speech, Soundstorm achieves an astonishing level of accuracy. Consider a conversation prompt like, "Where did you go last summer?" followed by the response, "I went to Greece. It was amazing." When comparing the original recording with the synthesized dialogue, it becomes challenging to distinguish between them. The replicated voice captures the natural pauses, intonations, and flow, creating an eerily realistic experience. Another example showcases the humor and spontaneity of conversation. The prompt, "Something really funny happened to me this morning," leads to a lively exchange that highlights the authenticity of Soundstorm's synthesized dialogue. The AI-generated voice delivers a humorous story with the same timing, emphasis, and spontaneity as a human speaker. As we witness the advancement of AI-generated voice synthesis, it becomes evident that Soundstorm represents a significant leap forward in creating hyper-realistic voiceovers. The possibilities of Soundstorm are vast, ranging from content creation in video games to automated voiceovers. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and Soundstorm presents a significant threat if misused. Scammers and malicious actors could exploit this technology for their gain, deceiving unsuspecting individuals by impersonating trusted voices. Voice impersonation is one of the key concerns associated with Soundstorm and similar AI voice cloning technologies. Scammers and fraudsters can exploit this technology to deceive unsuspecting individuals by mimicking the voices of their loved ones, friends, or colleagues. Identity fraud is another significant risk associated with the advancement of AI voice cloning. With Soundstorm's ability to replicate voices with remarkable accuracy, individuals could potentially use cloned voices to gain unauthorized access to sensitive information, manipulate automated systems, or commit fraudulent acts. Biometric voice authentication systems, which rely on unique voice patterns for identification, could be rendered ineffective if attackers successfully clone a target's voice and use it to bypass security measures. Moreover, Soundstorm's ability to bypass biometric identification systems raises alarming concerns. Security measures relying on voice authentication could be rendered obsolete as AI-generated voices become indistinguishable from real ones. This poses a significant challenge for identity verification in various industries, including banking, customer service, and law enforcement. Additionally, ongoing research and development of voice print detection algorithms are crucial to accurately identify and flag AI-generated voices. Collaboration between AI developers, security experts, and industry stakeholders is essential to stay ahead of potential threats and devise effective countermeasures. Public awareness and education also play a vital role in mitigating the risks associated with AI voice cloning. By raising awareness about the existence of such technologies and the potential for voice impersonation, individuals can become more vigilant and cautious when encountering voice-based requests for personal information or financial assistance. The broader impact and safeguards. In their paper, the creators of Soundstorm acknowledge the potential for misuse and stress the importance of implementing safeguards. They assure readers that Soundstorm-generated audio remains detectable by dedicated classifiers, reducing the risk of impersonation and fraud. However, it is crucial to remain cautious as these technologies advance rapidly. The emergence of AI voice cloning tools like Soundstorm and their potential for misuse underscore the urgent need for robust safeguards and detection methods. As these technologies advance, it becomes crucial to proactively address the ethical, privacy, and security concerns they present. One potential solution that aims to enhance identity verification in the digital realm is WorldCoin, an innovative project spearheaded by Sam Altman. WorldCoin proposes a digital passport system that relies on advanced biometric identification, specifically eye scanning. By utilizing an orb that scans the unique patterns of an individual's iris, WorldCoin seeks to establish a more secure and reliable form of digital identity verification. The integration of eye scanning technology into identity verification processes offers several advantages. Firstly, the iris patterns are highly distinctive and virtually impossible to replicate. This ensures higher accuracy and reduces the risk of impersonation or fraudulent activities associated with voice cloning. Secondly, using biometrics like iris scanning provides a more convenient and seamless user experience than traditional identification forms. With a quick scan, individuals can authenticate their identity without the need for physical documents or relying solely on voice-based authentication, which can be susceptible to AI voice cloning attacks. Moreover, the decentralized nature of blockchain technology, upon which WorldCoin is built, adds an extra layer of security and transparency to the digital identification process. Blockchain's immutable and tamper-proof nature ensures that individuals have control over their personal data, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. While WorldCoin's eye-scanning digital ID project shows promise, it is crucial to consider its implementation's potential challenges and concerns. Privacy remains a significant consideration when collecting and storing biometric data. Strict regulations and protocols must be in place to protect individuals' privacy rights and ensure that their biometric information is handled securely and responsibly. Alongside initiatives like WorldCoin, continuous research and development efforts are necessary to improve detection methods to identify AI-generated voices. Advanced voice recognition systems need to be refined and trained to accurately differentiate between synthesized and genuine human voices. Collaboration between AI developers, security experts, policymakers, and industry stakeholders is crucial to address the emerging challenges posed by AI voice cloning and identity verification. This collaboration can foster the development of robust standards, regulations, and best practices that ensure responsible and ethical use of these technologies. Public awareness and education initiatives are also essential to inform individuals about the potential risks and vulnerabilities associated with voice cloning and identity fraud. By empowering individuals with knowledge and promoting digital literacy, they can become more vigilant and proactive in safeguarding their own identities and personal information. As AI technology evolves, the ethical and societal implications become increasingly complex. Soundstorm represents a groundbreaking achievement in voice synthesis, but its potential misuse highlights the urgent need for safeguards and regulations. We must address the risks associated with voice impersonation, identity fraud, and the erosion of trust in voice-based authentication systems. Striking a balance between technological advancement and responsible deployment is vital as we navigate the brave new world of AI-driven voice technology. In the comments section, let us know your thoughts on Soundstorm, AI voice cloning, and the future of identity verification in our increasingly digitized society. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.